woke up from a nap and I really don't feel like doing makeup, y'all. But today is our last night in Belize. Our flight leaves early in the morning, so of course, we cannot like really turn up like that because it's really early flight. But literally my stomach has been hurting now. Like something that I ate is not it. And after the pool, literally like I had to leave the pool early because like my stomach, yeah, something wasn't right. So I had to drink tons of water and then took a quick little nap. Now it's time for us to go to the rooftop. So this whole villa, we rented out the whole villa except 2 spots. Like the first day I was explaining the whole setup, like 2 of the buildings, the owner, it's their residence. Yeah. So go check out all the vlogs because literally I broke everything up in different days. So anyway, other than those 2 rooms, we were not the whole building, and on the 3rd floor, that's where we're gonna have our dinner. So we all paid for a chef to cook for us. So they cooked it here and they're gonna put it on the 3rd floor. So this is what we're doing now, and it comes with a bar. So I don't know what they mean by a bar, like is it a full bar or what? So anyway, oops, my body, y'all. Maybe it's the beer. I've been drinking. I had like 2 beers. It's the beers from their country. Maybe my stomach's like no. Anyway, so far I'm having so much fun. So this trip is my mom, well, my aunt, her friends, and my mom. I'm the youngest one on this trip. I know it's supposed to be all for, you know, the older people, but I cannot turn down a trip. So of course my mom invited me with her. We're having fun. We're having fun. I love the little karaoke we've been doing at the downstairs. We were doing karaoke. Where they were doing karaoke. I put some clip. Of course, the clip's gonna be before this part, or however I edit it. You guys gonna see. So I really didn't. Actually, I don't really feel like doing makeup right now, but my mom convinced me. She was saying that last night put a little makeup on, so that's what I'm doing. Is putting a little makeup on because literally I don't even feel like doing. Yeah, I doubt if I put lashes on. Well, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna blend this out. So if you're new to my page, my channel is usually about lifestyle, entrepreneur life, and all that. And literally every time I do go on vacation or travel, I vlog every freaking thing, start to finish. So make sure to subscribe, get to know me, check out all the vlogs. I need a paper towel. Check out all the vlogs and all that. Yeah, I've been posting literally every day now. Okay, I did too much. I put too much on this one. It's time to turn it. I need to play some music because I'm feeling the vibe. And I left my shoes down, so I gotta go get those. But overall, this is Belize is really a laid back, chill spot. Like turning up is really not it. It's not partying. Let me get back here real quick. Hold on. This is really not like a partying spot, but you can make it a partying spot. So I suggest if you like a turn up person, Belize is only for like, okay, if you have a group of people, you can make it to like a little turned up spot. Other than that, relaxation. Since I mean clubs here, I showed you earlier today. We went to sightsee. One of the clubs, American, was unalive in December, and it's been closed ever since. But I showed you how that place looks, and I was talking to a local, and they were saying how they explained the whole story to us, and they said, well, out here it's safe now because they arrested all of the gang members. That's what he said. So I think he just said that to, you know, give us comfort. And of course, you know, they wanted us to feel comfortable. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna finish this makeup and then we're gonna talk. I'm gonna give you guys more of I'm giving you me and my mom's opinions about the spot, like I usually do. I always like break stuff down and all that. So yeah, let's turn on some music, y'all.
Music ready. Music.
She ready. Cool boy. Okay, let's see. What do I want? That's a little hoe. You need this? No. Hey guys, so I came down back to my room for a minute just to decompress. No, I'm impressed with my outfit. My bra keeps showing. Alright, y'all, so I am back in my room for a minute. Like I said earlier, like I'm here with basically my mom's friends, right? And literally everyone thinks I'm about 18. I don't know where they get that from. I kind of want to go live real quick.
6 against 1. 6 against 1. Let's do it. Let's go.
Mom's a designated driver.
And it tells you that
My battery died on the camera, so I cannot vlog on my camera, and you guys know how my phone speaker is, so kind of upset about that. My face is oily, but we're gonna make the best of it, y'all.
so.
This is the birthday girl.
Like we did the boat. I don't know. We go in here first.
She did.
That y'all just said.
So we're leaving. We have an early flight.
Look at all these little cars. Anybody got potato chips? We didn't. We said y'all could stay.
It's all good. You got the right key?
Can I do this one?
Don't be tripping on Friday. Say, oh, you come to Belize birthday. Yeah. This nigga was giving you some you want. That's it.
No, sir.
At least check
She's
it.
gonna be tempted. No, I'm not tempted.
Check out Belize that
Feel
day.
it, Bridget. Feel it.
Check out Belize.
Why? Don't encourage that
nonsense.
nonsense. I do not. Thank you, sir.
You want some?
I appreciate you.
Check this thing. You don't want to check something.
Hey.
Hey, man.
I do like
Down. All the way down.
I still locked it, right?
You got and then
to the left.
And then put your foot. And then put your foot on the gas. Yeah. Oh wait. She's not on it. Now put your foot on the gas. And then put your foot on the gas.
Is it jerk chicken or just barbecue?
No, it's not fried chicken. And it looks so.
I didn't even show you guys my outfit. Alright.
Before we.
Okay, so we left the club. My camera died, of course, so I recorded on my phone. I don't know how the sound's gonna be because my phone's been tripping lately, but I had fun. You had fun?
I had a ball.
Yeah. So, of course I didn't record me getting it, but oh, and I ate some of it. So this is jerk chicken. It's only 3 pieces, and then this is, what's this called? What is it called? A fried something fried. I don't know. Just have to pull it up. And this was $4 American, $8 in Brazil. I mean, Belizean. Alright, so we're about to eat this. Which one is mine? Which one of these are mine?
What? One with more in it.
So yeah, I'm going to drink some of this. I need to drink some water actually. And then I'm just gonna chill. We have to pack. It's about 1 o'clock, I think. And we have to be up by 7 in the morning because our mini flight leaves at 9. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow. Okay, so we are about to get ready to leave. It is about 6:30 in the morning. Well, about 6:40 in the morning. I don't think I ever gave you guys a room tour. I should give you the room tour day 1, but I did not. So first, hold on, let me show you these stairs. I think these are so cute. I did like a mini. Oh my god, this battery's about to die. Oh shit. Okay, I need to charge. Let me see if I can finish this video real quick and charge up, because I'm already charging 1 battery right now. But this is, I guess, it's not even a full kitchen, just a sink. Mini refrigerator, coffee, and all that. Put this in my suitcase real quick. And then this is the bathroom. Hold on. Here go me. And this is how and they run down everything for you. And this water, like, it shuts off if you use too much of it. Okay. And oh, hold on, y'all. That was my mom, y'all. Hold on, let me get my jacket on real quick. Well, I could probably wait.
Got a lot of covers.
Ain't okay.
Are we wearing this?
Girl, you're not going out.
Do you want to go?
I don't know. See how we feel. All right, this is the other only bedroom, and this room is like, I mean, this is just the front door. That's something. Yeah, kind of a little backwards. Yeah, I need to zip this thing up. Yeah, and that is it. And
It's gone wrong. We're not stopping for gas.
I need to know how to put this in reverse. It's different from the one I was driving before.
so we're off. Make sure you got everything.
Thank you.
Alright, so we're about to leave. This is the airport for the mini flight to get to us. This is the big flight, that makes sense. So this is how I look there. This is their airport.
Oh yeah, that's right. So I need to.
Oh Lord.
Oh, you want some air?
Yes. Acting real American.
Gotham International Airport. The 15-minute flight after departure. Start watch. Enjoy the flight.
No, still need to go see. But the light outside.
We landed, now it's time for us to go through here. Alright, we got our suitcase. Now it's time for us to check in. Alright, so we can get some, oh, that's the coffee. Get some coffee, and then we have like an hour for our next flight.